Yeah, hi, in today's video we're going to be looking at a site called SwingBux, and we're going to do a full review, and we're also going to show you whether it is worth your time, and also whether you can actually earn money every 15 seconds, guys. It is simple as that. Let's go and find out whether it's true, whether it's worth doing. Join me now and we're going to go through a full SwingBux review. We come on to swingbux.com, and as you can see here, it says here, get paid every 15 seconds, trusted and sustainable. So first of all, I want to quickly go through and tell you a little bit about SwingBux and tell you why it is a legitimate business. You can actually get paid every 15 seconds. So if we jump over to the SwingBux reviews here, as you can see here, most of them are excellent. They've only got 29 reviews so far, but rating of 3.9. Okay. Also, the who.is website will give us a little bit of information of when they were actually formed. They were only formed back in May 2020, so they're only quite a young company, but they are paying out, as you can see from their Trustpilot reviews. So straight away we can actually tell that SwingBux is pretty good, and obviously there's loads of information also on their website. You've got a forum here, you've got Q&As, you've got a support tab, so loads of different things. So the website is got lots of information on that will help you actually if you've got any questions. Now go through the website here. As you can see here, they've already paid out $23,000 to the 141,000 registered members. So these are not massive numbers, guys. So these are realistic numbers for being a newish company. Okay, so they're not saying that you're going to get paid millions of dollars, and they're not saying they've got millions of members, which is a good thing. And as you can see here, you've got the members benefits here, which actually say you can earn up to 3 cents per click, you can earn up to 2 cents per sign up, and you can earn a $20 per referral upgrade. Okay, so there are ways you can obviously earn, and we're going to go through that very shortly. But firstly, let's just show you how quick and easy it is to actually sign up to SwingBux. Now you've got here obviously register an account or member login, so you just want to click on register account. Just fill in your details here, so you need full name, username, password. You need to actually put in how you want to get paid here, guys. So if you've got any of these accounts, Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, AirTM, then this is where you would put your link here to get paid. You need obviously your email address here, and you need to confirm your password and check you are not a robot as well. And obviously make sure you've ticked the SwingBux rules, so you abide by them, and then just click register, and that's as easy as that, guys. You'll get an email through as per normal just to confirm it, and then once you click the confirmation, you will come through into the members area. With that said, let's jump over to inside the members area and show you exactly how easy it is to actually go and earn money, and whether you can actually earn and get paid every 15 seconds. Okay, so we're into my dashboard here, and as you can see, I've got a little bit of money that I've actually done there, and I've obviously got points here, so you can gather points and you can get dollars straight into your account. But as you can see, they're only small amounts of dollars. So how can you go and earn these? Well, if we come up to the earn tab here, earn money tab, there are various ways you can actually earn. You can view ads. You've got a clicks grid, you've got the PTSU, track the vault, etc. Loads of different ways here, including the PTC walls, which are always quite a good thing on these sites. So view ads is probably the easiest way and quickest way to go and click and get paid. So if you click on view ads, and as you can see here, we've got 5 ads that we can go and view, and it says you need at least 4 more advertisers to earn clicks from your referrals tomorrow. So in other words, what they do, you have to click at least 4 ads in order to actually earn from any referrals that you've got underneath you. So all you do is literally come across here, and on the tab at the top here, you would just click that. Opens up into a new window, and if you look up here, it says please wait, and then it's just actually the bar is going along, and as you can see, it takes less than, well, in total probably about 15 seconds, so they're probably right there. And then all you do is click on the upside down picture. So that's this one there. And thanks for watching. And that's it, guys. That's all you have to do. So you then come back and you can obviously do exactly the same on all of these as well. So if I refresh that page, I've now viewed one advertisement and I've obviously got 4 more I can actually view. Go back to my account. I've actually gone up by a very, very small amount, guys. So the answer to the initial question, can you earn and get paid every 15 seconds? Yes, you can. You can get paid within 15 seconds, but that amount is very, very tiny indeed, as you can see here. So you would need to be clicking on quite a few ads, and as you can see here on the PTC ads, you only had about 4 or 5 to actually click. So again, that doesn't give you an awful lot. You can't sit on there all day and click ads, unfortunately. So you would have to find different ways of actually earning money in these tabs here. Some of them you would need to invest money to earn money, and some you can earn points. Like the clicks grid here, you can actually earn points. If you hit the winning square, you could earn up to $5. So all you do is just click on the square. It opens up a ad that you actually go and view, and again up in the top corner here, then the bar will go across, and again you can earn very, very quickly. And there we go, and it shows straight away that I'm not a winner with this square, but I've got 19 more chances left today. So you can have 20 chances per day on that, and that will actually get you more points. So as you can see, it's converted 2 points to my points tally here, and then these, once you've got to a certain level, can be converted into dollars as well. But as you can see here, $1 equals 10,000 points. So you've certainly got to get a lot of points in this just to get $1. So once you've actually earned your money, how do you actually get it out? Like I say, you go over to the withdraw tab here. And it says here, obviously I haven't got enough funds. It says you do not have enough funds in your account to complete the operation. The minimum cash out is $3. So it's fairly low cash out. But like I say, when you're actually using the ads, viewing the ads, and obviously some of the other things there, the amount you're going to get paid is very, very, very small. Okay, so wrapping up now, what do I think of SwingBux? Yes, it's totally legit. You can earn money, but it's going to take you an awful long time to earn money. I would definitely say there are actually different sites out there that you could use, which are probably better, and you could earn money a lot quicker. And I'll put a link to a video to those in this video here, and also at the end of this video. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Obviously, make sure you watch this video next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.